Hola y bienvenidos a Módulo 3. Welcome to Module 3. Hopefully we're done with all the setup and everything from Modules 1 and 2, and we're ready to get right into it. So this module is going to be about family vocabulary, and the verb tener, which means to have, so that we can use that verb to talk about, like, what family members we have. Like, I have one brother, I have two cousins. Under the readings, there's some book pages, and there's also some extra articles to read about last names and the last name system. So make sure you read the book pages and the articles, because we do have a discussion board that will use those articles. And there's also some videos about the family. Okay, so then for our assignments, we have the homework packet. Remember, that's unlimited attempts. We have the discussion board that you need the book article and the extra articles that are posted. So make sure you read all those articles and get your initial post in by Wednesday. And make sure that your answers show that you read the articles. And then for the speaking assignment, you want to answer those questions about your family. And then this thing that says family tree practice, you don't have to submit that anywhere. It's just similar to an activity that's on the quiz where you're going to look at a family tree and do true and false. So again, you don't have to submit that, but if you want to check your answers, you can email me. And then the quiz, remember that once you open the quiz, you only have one attempt to do it. It won't record any answers after the time limit. So make sure you only open it once you're really ready to take it. Yeah, one attempt, and anything after the time limit won't be sent in. Okay? All right, that's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Y nos vemos pronto. See you soon.